Yeah, that's my lungs burning.
I feel like I'm having a baby. Oh, shit.
We have no idea what we're doing. How far is 20 meters?
I don't fucking know. Does that 20 meters?
I don't know, let's find out. You think it's the 20 meters?
Maybe it's 10. Is this
So,
okay?
so this is 8. Is that glass?
Eugene, what are we doing?
We are about to go through hell.
The multi-stage fitness test will start
Australian
in
guy.
5 seconds. Ready?
Ready. Is that it?
Start level 1.
There it goes. 20 meters. Is it meant to be 20 meters? I've got to Google that again. It seems very long.
Well, when you think about it, you've got to get a bit of a run up.
I don't remember this being this long back in like high school. So this is 5.
Yeah.
The reality is, it's only 15 minutes. So Google said that the average good level is like between 8 to 12, whatever the levels are. So I got 6 when I was a kid, I think, so I'm pretty shit. But to get through 8 to 12 is about 15-ish minutes.
Okay.
It's not that bad. Like, we've done some harder things for 15 minutes.
15 minutes of running.
Of running, yeah.
Sprints.
But I feel like I'm just getting PTSD from this because of like gym class back in high school. I sucked in high school and primary school at anything physical.
Now, I honestly have not done the beep test since like year 6.
Do you remember what you got in it?
I wasn't into PE, so.
But you've done like running. You're like a runner.
Oh yeah, I know, but I never did the beep test. I'm pretty quick.
Oh, fuck.
But I often find that I've got more physical strength in my legs than what I do fitness.
Yeah.
Like, I can gas myself. I can go hard, but I'll be absolutely destroyed at the end of it.
I wonder how much of it has changed since like. Why am I bleeding? These shoes are probably not the ideal footwear for this, but I don't have any runners. I've got Crocs, I've got my Nikes, and I've got my Vans, and none of them are really like made for running.
You've got holes in your socks.
That doesn't matter.
Level 3, 6.
Do we need to do any like kind of warm up or anything? I feel like we
I
should
don't
do
think
like
so. What would you do for a cardio warm up? I mean, like.
Well, normally just start
the jog.
Slow and then go high,
Yeah.
but maybe because we're going to get straight into it, probably.
I don't think,
high
like
knees,
I said, I actually
some butt
don't
kicks.
think. I don't think. I think the warm up's included.
All right, like that. And some pre-workout goodness.
I don't know if this is a good idea.
None of it is a good idea.
We got to leave our high school traumas in the past.
This is me overcoming my high school traumas. I'm facing those demons. This one's for you, little Eugene. Do you have a Band-Aid?
What are you using?
I'm using a Polo chest
Do you have
strap.
your Aura ring on?
Yeah.
Yep.
Hit that. We've got every wearable in the house here. We've got the strap, we've got the ring, we've got the...
Outdoor run.
Let's put it on.
All right, well, let's do it.
Fuck. Oh.
Level 1.
Going too hard. Whew. All right.
Because I wonder what'll fail first, whether like your legs will fail or whether your fitness will
My
fail.
mind will fail at like level 2.
Level 1, 2.
It's off to a bad start.
Level 1, 3.
I feel like my heart's working harder than it needs to already. Like I'm just like anxious.
You're anxious.
Yeah.
Start level.
Hey, level 2, that's not too bad. Oh shit!
We're gonna go faster.
Pick it up.
Level 2.
And you thought 6 was bad.
Oh shit.
Can I give you some feedback?
Yeah. Give me some feedback. Roast me. Make me a better athlete.
You run, the style of running that you were doing there was sort of inefficient.
Oh, for sure.
Level 2, 5.
Making it harder for yourself.
Yeah.
Very heavy.
Yeah.
on your feet,
I could hear it.
and you weren't using your arms to your full capacity to be able to get your stride and your pace. Because by the end, it's just sprints.
Yeah.
You know,
yeah.
you need to be efficient with it. Whereas at the start, you didn't struggle until about 5 and a bit.
Yeah, and then I started really
And then you need to know how to
lagging.
sprint and be efficient with your running.
Level 5, 7.
That's the annoying thing about this test, or like any. I've done
skill.
VO2 testing using a bike, which is easier because there's no skill.
Yeah.
But running, whether treadmill, outdoors or whatever,
Yeah.
very technical. And I haven't run in years. And even if I had run in years, many people run a lot, but they don't have good technique.
Yeah.
It's a big skill.
Yeah.
Big skill.
Level
How did you find that though?
I just hate that lung burning feeling.
Oh, I love it.
I fucking hate it. Like, I can happily do low intensity cardio for hours. No, maybe not hours. Maybe like 30 minutes. But when your lungs start burning, like I tap out mentally.
This is a good test for a lot of people though, because it's hard to injure yourself because it
For
builds
sure.
you up.
Yeah. It's very like, if you're going in cold, like we did no warm up.
Yeah.
Or very minimal warm up.
Grapevine. Yeah. Yeah.
It's a very good way to just introduce something. There's always going to be the very obese or something. Even then, the very obese, they won't get to our levels of impact.
Nah, that's what I mean.
They'll fatigue
Yeah.
at level 2 or 3.
Structurally, they'll
Yeah.
break down before they will physically.
That means I'm out.
Level 6, 7.
Oh.
Level 6, 8.
I was looking at the research on it. They were just found just about every population. It's accurate for VO2 testing.
Yeah.
That's cool. So I think I did like 6 in high school, maybe. So 6.5 is still shit. But I'm carrying like an extra 20 kilos of weight.
I used to average 4-minute 30Ks for like 5 to 10 minutes.
Right.
But I was 48 kilos.
Yeah.
So it's very different when you're holding a lot of muscle mass.
Yeah, it's all the gains.
It's all the
getting in the
gains.
way.
What do you anticipate on doing in the meantime before you retest?
Honestly, right now, not much. Like I'm not going to add in a ton because I'm still focused on building.
Yeah.
So I'm going to start to add in 2 zone 2 sessions each week.
Of running or?
Well, as whatever keeps me in zone 2.
Sure.
So it'll probably
High
be
incline or?
high incline. I prefer high incline walking, but it'll get to a point where I need to run to keep my heart rate at that
Yeah.
point. But I'll do that maybe 45 minutes twice a week, but that's just gentle, like it's not hard. And then in the next probably 2 months after that, then I'll introduce proper sprints.
Yeah.
And probably some more like maybe 5-minute intervals.
Yeah.
But right now it would take too much from me, and I can make progress on
Yeah.
very, very small amounts. And then probably retest in maybe 3 months or never.
Yeah.
Start level 7, 1. Level
Oh.
2.
Did you ever do like running in high school or primary school?
When I was like 17 or 18, I started to get into running.
Yeah. And then you're doing marathons, weren't you?
I did when I was younger. I used to do 3 runs a week. I'd have like a tempo run where I'd just try and beat like my 3 to 5K time.
Yeah.
And then I'd have like interval training where you'd just try and work on like just output. And then long runs on a Sunday where I'd just do like 10 to 20 Ks
Yeah.
and just get Ks up. Sorry.
Level 7, 7.
Holy shit. Oh shit.
My heart rate got to 187, that's pretty fucked.
193.
You got 7.5, I got 6.5 or 6.4. How did you work on your efficiency, like technique-wise? Did you have a coach for that, or did you just Google that, YouTube it?
I did have a running coach initially.
Right.
When I did track right at the start.
Yeah, yeah.
To teach me proper
Yeah, mechanics.
mechanics of running, which
big
was
deal.
really good. Yep, they like assessed my feet and like
Yeah.
how I landed, and taught me how to use my upper body and
Yeah.
breathe. All very big things.
I reckon it's huge. It's just like training. Like I
Yeah.
can say, here's a squat program, 4x8, go do it, with
Yeah.
70% of your max or whatever.
Yeah.
But if your technique's off, it's going to take
Yeah.
a lot more out of you, or you can injure yourself, or
Yeah.
yeah, people don't realize that with running.
Yeah, and I think the biggest thing that I see is like when people go, oh, I'll go for a run because it's so low entry.
Yeah.
But then like you look at people's feet when they run and they're
Oh,
like, they're rolling
it's a recipe
everywhere.
for disaster.
Yeah.
I'd say
so-
walking is low entry. Running itself, like there's a reason I don't run. One thing, I suck at it, but also it's just I respect how much time it takes to learn how to do it properly.
But once you
I don't
learn
invest.
things like that, though, it's the same
For
with
sure.
lifting.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
like
Second nature.
easy. And I
Yeah.
think anything over like 5Ks or under, 5Ks or under doesn't really matter as much as you think.
Yeah.
Once you start getting long distance, it does, because everything breaks down.
Yeah, for sure.
I would like to see the ranges, like men's and women beep test.
Oh yeah, I'm sure we
There would be
can dig
ranges.
that out and put it up here on the board somewhere on the screen for people to see if you're a male or a female, what the averages are.
But that was fun!
It was fun.
It was fun.
Give it a shot, guys. Look up the beep test on YouTube and track yourself at 20 meters. Give it a shot. Let us know how you go. See if you can beat me. I'm sure you can beat me. I was horrible.
You won't beat me.
We'll see.
What do you reckon, Katrina? Any observations? No. All I noticed was Eugene was about a metre behind me the whole way.
Well, I was pacing myself.
Ah,
I
pacing
was
yourself
pacing.
and you lost.
I was pacing. I was trying to, be smart, saying, "Oh, I don't need to go as hard too early. Leave something in the tank." You know.
I find stopping.
Back when I was a kid, the cool thing to do was cross-country running. I wanted to be a cool kid, I wanted to fit in. So I did that and I sucked. It was maybe like 5Ks, which for like a 10-year-old is a lot. This is like inter-school, so there's like 100, 200 kids doing it. And I got dead last, like by a long shot. And I was telling Katrina yesterday, I remember I got a certificate at the end.
Yeah, everyone gets one.
Everyone gets one. But it says,
Participation.
no, but it's not even that. This is like 20 years ago. So it says on it, your placing. So,
no.
So for me, to be respectful, they're like, he placed in the last group.
Oh no. Well, it's time to bring that back.
Yeah, like it shattered my self-esteem and make me want to just never run again.
Yeah.
And here we are today.
I think you'll surprise yourself though, honestly, if you cleaned up those tiny things.
Oh, for sure. I 100% believe that. 100% believe that. There's
Like
probably
I said,
another
you don't
half a
have to
level
be
in
like
there.
tall or long
Yeah.
limbed to be a good runner. Like sure,
Yeah.
that helps, but I think having strength helps so much more than what people think.
For sure.
Like having really strong legs,
Yeah.
it'll outdo like someone just has the good biomechanic structure for it.
Absolutely.